Flash floods struck the Rio Ruidoso River in Ruidoso, New Mexico, sweeping away entire structures in a matter of seconds. Shocking footage captured buildings collapsing into the raging waters, following intense monsoon rains. The area, already scarred by wildfires, could not absorb the heavy rainfall, leading to a dangerous mudflow. Emergency responders issued flash flood warnings and evacuations, with local roads and bridges completely submerged or destroyed. Residents are urged to remain alert as the threat of more flooding continues throughout the monsoon season. Ruidoso remains on high alert.